Hey there everybody, it's Kenny with Rasmus Auctions. Today we're in Hanover, Pennsylvania at an optometrist's office, and I'm going to take you for a walk around and show you some of the stuff that's going to be sold in this auction. Lots of different very nice visitor chairs. Got decor. There are two different styles. This one's a little bit of a different pattern than that one. More decor on the walls. Side tables. Decor. Got speakers, more artwork, a wheelchair, water dispenser, coat rack. As we walk back into this back office, there's a lot of different tech. So you have your phones, some computers, printer, some heaters, and more. You also have an office supplies lot. Then we're gonna work our way back here into the exam rooms. So we've got a couple different styles of chairs, a couple different projectors. Got some DVD players in the back. Over on this side, got a fundus camera. Couple fundus cameras, lots of different ophthalmology tools on the table right here. Inside here we have a complete lane setup. This one has the slit lamp, 4-opter, tooling, Reliance chair. Very nice setup. Got some computers, some lens measuring devices, some eye decor, more visitor chairs and work stools. We also have a retinal camera over there in the corner. I'll come into this next room where we have the OptiView printer, lens set, speedclave. In this room, the 4-opter, the slit lamp, and the chirometer are all sold individually from the lane itself. The lane has the stand, the chair, and that's about it. Going back here, you got a microscope on a stand. Very cool. More assorted optometry tools, surgery kits, more decor, more visitor chairs. Across the hallway in here, got a Humphrey machine, 4-opter refracting, more 4-opters, more slit lamps. This lane is sold individually as well. Pretty much the same setup in every room. You got computers, you got your projector, nice monitor tech lot over there. Inside of this room here, another slit lamp. This lane's not being sold, but they do have some compact touch systems. Pretty much same setup in here as well. Got a PAM system and mini fridge, file projector. More optometry stuff on this table as well. Inside here, same thing, stools, visitor chairs, filing cabinet, optometry tools, etc. Infrared, the ophthalmoscope. Inside here, we got a nice little office area. So all this stuff is going to be sold in an office lot. Oh, I zoomed in a little bit too much. Sorry, guys. And so all of the furniture pieces in here will be sold together. Please be prepared if you do win that lot to pick all of it up. Back here is another little office area where we have computers, some visitor chairs and such.
We got a couple things not done.
And then we also have a closet full of disposables and a nice little kitchen area. Microwave, Keurig, refrigerator. All right, everybody, that does it for me. Thank you for tuning in and happy bidding.